Yeah, now we've got some of your Bob pictures. Well, we've got one to show. Thanks for all the pictures you send in to us. And it's been drawn by Shannon Leakey, who lives in County Antrim. And she says, please can you say hello to my schoolmates at Bradeside?
No problem. What's your schoolmate?
Hello, everyone at Bradeside.
Learning is fun with Bob the Builder. There are BBC games, puzzles and activities available on these computer products.
Bob the Builder here. My friends at Comic Relief called me because they know how much I like to help other people. They asked me to tell you about some fun things you can do for Red Nose Day. They said if you dress up in a really silly outfit, then you can help other people who really need it. I've been wearing this all day. Everyone's been laughing. Keep on watching CBBC for more ideas on how to have fun in the run-up to Red Nose Day.
Thanks, Bob, for this clean.
Now, if you'd like to get involved with Comic Relief, you're going to need a fundraising pack. What you're going to get to do is get yourself an envelope like this, write your name on it, your address, and put 3 second-class stamps.
3 second-class stamps?
3 second-class stamps, fold it up and put it in another envelope and send it to this address.
Which is the Comic Relief Fundraising Pack. P.O. Box 32762, London SE1 7FF.
That's right, thanks for that, Evelyn. Now, don't panic if you didn't get that down, because you can get the address on our website, which is www.bbc.co.uk/CBBC.
And when you finish using your pants, you can always take them to the jumble sale, just like Sheep.